Rising tensions in the West Asia could soon hit global fuel prices. Iran's military command has issued a stark warning saying that the world should be prepared for oil prices to surge to $200 a barrel as tensions escalate in the Gulf region. The warning came after 3 more ships were reportedly attacked in the blockaded Gulf, deepening concerns over global energy security. Spokesperson for Iran's military command, Ebrahim Zolfakhri, directly addressed the United States, saying that the global oil price depends on regional stability and accusing Washington of destabilizing the region. Zolfakhri also warned that Iran would respond after offices of a bank in Tehran were hit overnight, saying that the banks that do business with United States or Israel could become targets. He even questioned people across the Middle East to stay at least 1,000 meters away from bank buildings. Iran's spokesperson has also warned the United States that it will not be able to control global oil prices through what he called artificial measures. Earlier, Iran fired Israel and targets across the Middle East, signaling that it still has the capability to retaliate and disrupt energy routes, despite what the Pentagon described as the most intense US-Israeli strikes so far. Meanwhile, there is still no sign of normal shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, a critical route through which nearly 1/5 of the world's oil supply passes. The ongoing blockade is now being described as the most serious disruption to global energy supplies since the oil shocks of the 1970s. And now the International Energy Agency has approved the release of 400 million barrels of oil from emergency reserves to reserve the ongoing crisis in the West Asia. The decision was unanimously endorsed by all 32 member countries. Officials said that the release will be timed according to the national circumstances of each member country and noted that this is more than double the IEA's largest previous release. In 2022, 182 million barrels were released after Russia's invasion of Ukraine.
As a result of the discussions among IEA members, I can now announce that IEA countries have unanimously decided to launch the largest ever release of emergency oil stocks in our agency's history. IEA countries will be making 400 million barrels of oil available. I repeat, 400 million barrels of oil available to the market to offset the supply lost through the effective closure of the strait.
The announcement comes as global tensions linked to the war involving Iran raise fears of major supply disruptions. The government of India welcomed the IEA's decisions, saying that India stands ready to take appropriate measures to support global market stability in alignment with IEA efforts. IEA Chief Fatih Birol responded, expressing appreciation for India's supportive statement, noting that it reinforces the coordinated effort to release oil stocks and address disruptions in the global oil markets.